Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to put image behind text in Excel. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. To add an image background in Excel, it's very simple. So in this video, I will show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Excel document that you want to add the background. Now, you can go to page layout and you'll find there is an option background. You can just click on that. You can choose from browsing or from file on your device, which is from my laptop. And I will choose this one, this image. You can just choose on the image and click on insert. So it will turns out like this. It's very simple, right? So now you have a background, picture background on your Excel document. So cool, right? Now your document in Excel looks more interesting and cool. So that is how to put image behind text on Excel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.